Okay, now it's good. Now we can pull this one out. We just have the left section.
That's right.
So Jantine is the professional.
Yeah. Oh no. So I have to find out how to do it on my own finca.
Hang on.
Well, you have more experiences.
Now,
Yeah.
wait. Hey. Seeing any sediment coming, you stop that, and then you've got a bigger container, and you can take the inner one, which is then full of water and gunk, out, and then what you need to do is to be able to pour the oil out of
It's
it.
okay, I'm protecting.
And it's just a question of finding a way of. At the moment, we haven't cracked that, so we're having to siphon out as much of the water as we can from the bottom, and then just use it. I mean, you've got about that much oil.
You have in Don Benito, you have this shop.
Don Benito.
Yeah, you have this shop and they sell a lot of things for wine making. Yeah, and they have these wooden things.
Yeah.
And there's
Are you sure? Would you like something to eat?
Yeah, but the olive. I bounced back like 4 of them with my own hands, you know? Hey, whoa! Like going like this. So it doesn't hurt. It is crazy. But that it froze so far away.
But most of them land quite close.
Yeah.
I just feel it.
Das Frau festgelegt,
His hands are more beautiful now.
Genau festgelegt, wer wann was
Ja.
zu sagen hat.
Genau.
Und zu tun hat.
You're on film,
Yeah.
Roger,
Okay.
so look your best.
You don't use the sound.
Natürlich, klar.
Yeah, the sound's coming.
The last time I saw this in southeastern Morocco, it was a camel doing the job.
Well, look at me. Am I a camel or am I a donkey? Okay. It's good. He has style.
Jemand durch 15 Sekunden drehen.
Stopp die Zeit. Es ist ganz wichtig, dass jede Drehung die gleiche Zeit braucht. Und nicht über den Schlauch fällt.
It's just trying to get the maximum push out of it. And it's still quite loose.
Es ist so schwer.
Kommt noch.
Ja.
Das ist jetzt erstmal, dass du dich ein bisschen warm läufst. Und deinen Rhythmus findest. Keine innere Mitte.
Einmal kleine Pausen bitte. 15 Sekunden, okay?
Weißt du, sonst fängt nämlich Manfred an, das zu machen.
Genau.
Nach einer Weile macht er das.
Genau.
So wie in.
Da wird das Tempo erhöht.
Genau.
Ursprünglich war ich engagiert als der Trommler.
Das dachte ich mir. Das Schiffseigentümer, hör auf.
Wie ist das schon bei Asterix und Obelix auf der Garniere?
Wir haben ein Spiel, okay? Ja.
Wow.
Okay, you can let it rest for a while. I think we could probably take the siphon out as well for a little bit.
Yep.
Because there's plenty of room for oil now.
Das fließt ja jetzt Wahnsinn.
Yeah, you always see.
One with a chestnut tree and one with a eucalyptus, I think.
Bastard! Fucker! Ah! Okay?
Well, camels don't make such a lot of noise.
They do. They do. They make all those horrible gruntings. Manfred, take it easy.
Ich weiß.
You're allowed to swear in Austrian. Go on.
Okay, let it rest for a while.
Versuch weniger zu essen. Warte, bitte, lass uns jetzt einen Druck machen und dann gehen wir.
Okay, Manfred, I'll do it now. I don't want you to overstrain yourself. And if we just stop it there, we can pull the coal out a bit more. Pull the coal out a bit more. That's it. Oops, it was all that far.
You look so dramatic with your dark clothes. You look like a Soviet Labour
Okay,
poster.
we'll have a rest. That's pretty well done. And there's a lot coming out.
Mine are a bit blurry.
The light's probably not very good.
How do you call this thing?
On the enamel.
The enamel helps.
No, I meant not the enamel, I meant this fennel.
Yeah, well, it's an enamel funnel,
Oh,
so it's white.
It's great.
Well, it could be red.
But that one
And
is
still be enamel.
Yeah, I know, but this is not red. This is white. Unless, of course, in the Holy Roman Empire, white is red.
this is white? Are you sure that this is white?
No, it's what I know as white. You could be seeing an
Actually, I
entirely
have the
different
impression
colour.
that it's kind of white and blue.
I've never thought so seriously about the fact that all of us sort of
Dark blue, there's a dark blue.
see colours totally